Ok, vamos a revisar el ejercicio 20, que es Document Location. Vamos a ver aquí las instrucciones. Implement the location web API to redirect 404 errors. Work with a partner to implement the following user stories. A developer want to direct users to a different page if there is an error. It's done when I make the fetch request that results in a 404 status and the browser redirects the 404 HTML. Refer to the documentation location replace. Entonces lo que consiste aquí es al momento de tener un status 404 que el usuario sea redireccionado a otra liga. Vamos a ver aquí si está en otro idioma, no está. Replace method. The replace method of the location interface replaces the current resource with the one that at the provided URL. The difference from the assign method is that after using replace, the current page will not be saved in session history, meaning the user won't be able to use the back button to navigate to it. Its method is that after the user replace, the current page will not be saved in session history, meaning the user won't be able to use the back button to navigate to it. If the assignment can happen because of a security violation, a DOM exception of the security error type is thrown. This happens if the origin of the script calling the method is different from the origin of the page originally described by the location object, mostly when the script is hosted on a different domain. In the provided URL, if the provider is not valid, okay, window location replace. Aquí está reemplazando la liga, bueno, la liga original. Vamos a ver cómo se ve en el ejercicio. A ver, dice, what object does location replace belong to? What are relative paths? Relative paths. Sometimes APIs don't return JSON. They can return other data formats like XML. How can you convert XML to JSON? A ver, vamos a preguntarle esto a ChatGPT. A ver, dice, sometimes APIs don't return JSON. They can return other data formats like XML. How can you convert XML to JSON? Yes, it's true that some APIs may not return JSON and instead may use other data formats such as XML. To convert XML to JSON, you can use a library or module that provides a conversion function. One popular library for converting XML to JSON is JavaScript called XML2JS. It is available via npm and you can install it using the following command. Once you have installed the library, you can use it to convert an XML string to a JavaScript object, which can then be easily converted to JSON. Here is an example. Okay, require if error console error, else JSON string use console log string. In the example above, we first import the XML library using the require function. We then define the XML string that we want to convert to JSON. We pass this XML string to the parse string function to the XML2JS library, which will convert it to JavaScript object. If there is an error during the conversion process, we log the error to the console. If the conversion is successful, we convert the JavaScript object to a JSON string using the JSON stringify function and log into the console. Keep in mind that the structure of resulting JSON may be different from original XML, as XML and JSON have different data structures. Additionally, some XML documents may not be able to be converted to JSON due to differences in structure and two formats. A ver, entonces, otra vez, aquí requiere XML to JS, XML string, book, title, JavaScript, the good parts. XML part string, XML error result, if error console log error, else JSON string if error result console. Ok. A ver, ahora dice index HTML, open in other browser. Entonces aquí dice document location, navigate to the MDN documentation, open script.js and implement the location replace method. In this page should redirect to the 404 HTML page. A ver. Aquí, aquí tiene el 404. Aquí, lo que se tiene que hacer aquí es que cuando se tenga un error 404, en automático nos redirija a una página, en este caso a este HTML que es 404, para desplegar este mensaje. Entonces, si hay un error, debería de aparecer este 404. A ver, vamos a ver aquí cómo se haría en el JavaScript. Dice bar request API GitHub unicorns redirect URL 404. Ok, entonces aquí está la variable redirect URL. Fetch bar request then function response use a conditional. Aquí tenemos que utilizar el replace. If not equal to 200, si no tenemos el status 200, entonces redirect to redirect URL. If that status equals the conditional, then redirect to the 404 page. Si revisamos acá el ejercicio resuelto, dice fetch bar request then function response. Check the response value is equal to 404. If response status equal to 404, if the page is not the 404 page, redirect to it. Document.location replace redirect URL as return response JSON. Entonces aquí, en este caso, nos va a dar el status 404 por default y aquí en automático nos redirigió esta. Aquí voy a refrescar. Bueno, ya no sucedió, pero nos redirecciona. Entonces, si hay un problema de comunicación, nos va a redireccionar a esa página nueva que es 404 HTML, que es el que tenemos acá, y lo tenemos que poner con document.location replace redirect URL. ¿Va? Entonces ahí está el ejercicio.